Hi everybody, how are you today? I hope well. My name is Tabitha Walker, and today I would like to share with you a recipe that has been handed down in my family since I know, at least since my great grandma was living. I know that she used to make this when my grandma was a little girl, and where she had learned to make the recipe was back in the Great Depression. So this has been handed down for quite a while in my family. A little bit of history about Hungarian goulash. It's possibly the nation's most well-known dish. It's beloved by many, and in a lot of places it's considered a delicacy. It's been personalized throughout the ages, and today it can be found in many menus across the home. Its original form was actually written called Goulash, which literally translates as herdsman or shepherd, as far back as the 9th century. The herdsmen would travel like far journeys across Europe, and before they would leave, they would cook up this meat and season it along with onions in an iron kettle, and they would cook this over an open fire until all the liquid evaporated. Once it dried out, the mixture was stored away in bags, and when the time came for a hearty meal, all that was needed was to boil up some water, add the meat and stuff, and then it would create a quick, warming, and simple stew. It originally started out as a meal born by necessity, and today has become a national specialty with a number of alternative variations. The variation that I make I call it poor man's goulash because it has inexpensive items in it, such as hamburger. Um, I use stewed tomatoes, onion. I also put a bay leaf in for flavor, and Hungarian paprika is very, very important for this dish. So I hope you enjoy the recipe, and again, have a great day. Again, my name is Tabitha Walker. Bye.